Alright guys, what is good? We're back for another episode today. I'm feeling really good today. I downloaded this new app on my phone. Give me 2 seconds. It's called Athlytic. If you have a iPhone, rather than getting a Whoop, because I was really considering getting a Whoop, but sort of a lock-in contract sort of a thing, and I already had an Apple Watch. It's an app called Athlytic. You can see your sleep schedule, recovery and all that. I was looking at my data, specifically on the red days where I wasn't getting much sleep. I was trading the US session, which, as I've probably said before, it's about midnight for me here in Australia. And if I'm staying up 2-3 hours for that session, I'm going to bed at like 2-3 a.m. And then I'm coming back the next day and I'm wondering, like, why am I making all these rash, illogical decisions and switching sides? And I think a big part of that is just having no sleep, just being really sleep deprived. So I really put a priority on that the past few days, just back testing, as it's still, today's date is the 30th of December here in Australia. So I've been doing a little bit of work, still having some of these accounts that I'm trying to just work with. I realized I had a take profit trader account which was renewing, but I didn't even realize, so I'm just trading with that on TradingView, and this is just sort of what I'm using as like my, I don't know, what's the word, my like, I set some rules for myself to not trade during specific times. Obviously I was supposed to wait till the new year for the top step accounts. I ended up breaking that, and it's just never a good idea to go against your word. That was a huge lesson. The crazy thing is, I was up about 1.2k after being in drawdown on all the accounts, as you've seen from the previous videos. I only needed another 1.8 or so to pass, and I set a rule of like not trading on Fridays. JCap, my mentor, doesn't do it, and I realized looking at my data that I take a lot of losses on Fridays. I think it's just because if I have a win during the week, I feel invincible, I break my rules, and then I give back all my profits. So that was the plan, right? Again, broke my rules, and this is something I really want to focus on. I keep saying it, but until I actually implement it in action, maybe that's part of it too. Like, I need to just let the action actually hold weight, because right now my words aren't meaning a whole lot, and for you guys, for me, like, that's really not a good thing. I want my word to mean something. And so yeah, I ended up trading on Friday, was up $500, and I said, look, that's enough, I'm done. I'll check it in the morning, because I think I had a runner going. I came in the morning and I was down from 500 in the green to like -$9, or maybe it was 90. I think it was 90, like near 100. And I was like, what just happened? And I realized I had set limit orders for where I expected to take profit, and price had obviously just run in the opposite direction, was just stopping me out. I was like, man, this is crazy. I had the opportunity right then and there, still being up like $1,000 on all accounts, to just say, look, traded on Friday, let's come back next week. Ended up trading, and I blew the accounts that morning in like an hour. It all just comes back to sticking true to my word, like making sure my words actually mean something. I want that to translate into every area of my life, not just trading. I say I'm going to do something and I stick to that. No matter the pain, no matter the emotions. I said it, I'm going to do it. So yeah, that's the rant over for this week. On a more positive note, I've been well rested, went to the gym this morning, meditated, got in the sauna. Just really looked after my health the past few days, and I'm hoping it translates to the markets. So I'm going to run you through what we have set up today. Again, being a man of my word, this is something that I want to implement every week going forward. Of the two accounts, we have this account with $24 left. I actually want to do a challenge to bring this back. That's actually going to be my challenge, to try and get this back. I believe in myself that I can do it. If I'm not willy-nilly with my trades and I'm actually looking at my management, I'm not trying to swing for the fences, there's definitely a challenge. I probably want to do this a little bit later, but we still have one account. Thank goodness I still had a daily loss limit on this account. These other three, I took it off. Again, just going against all these rules, you know. But I think that's just karma for trading on Friday. Karma for trading before the new year, as I said before. But I'm just not going to, what's the word? We've got the opportunity to now actually utilize the things that I've learned from those mistakes going forward. So there's a plan of attack. We'll leave this one, a smaller account. I really want to make this a challenge to try bring this back, show it is possible as well, just 1 micro for as long as we can, till we can scale up. But basically the plan is to risk 20% always, and I I want this to actually go into my personal accounts. 20% might be like, whoa, that's a huge amount of risk to be going forward with. But especially when your account is reduced in capital, that 20% also reduces how much you're risking each time. So it's not like you actually have 20% and you're risking, you only got 5 chances to get to 100% of your account. The reason for that, for a few reasons, I really like the Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule. Like, you're gonna get 80% of your income from 20% of your work. And I do think I've seen that happen in so many fields of my life. In real estate, I was an agent for a few years. Literally 80% of my business came from 20% of my clients, hands down. But also, like, I was listening to a video from Tom Hugard and how he talks about, if you're in the business of trading, what is the point in going with 1, 2, 3% risk? Yes, in the long term, it makes sense if you have an edge, even if it's 55%. But I just think, why go through all the stress and hassle? Why not just put the lump sum of your money in like a high interest bank account, even like the S&P 500 or the NQ market that we're looking at right now? Let it ride. We're at all-time highs right now. I thought we weren't going to be here like a month back when we first started the series, but we've made new all-time highs. More than likely, we're going to make new all-time highs again. Set and forget. You don't have to stress about it. Yes, it goes down. You're going to handle your emotions, but I'm not coming here every day trying to make this work. If I'm risking 20% and I even get like a 1 to 2R and I make 40% back on the capital that I have, and it's not about rushing. I'm really trying to get that in my head too. It's not about fast tracking the process to get there in an instant, but more so like if we're already engaging in this highly risky behavior, I might as well go for the risk if I can trust myself, trust my strategy, trust my process. And I think that's what I'm really trying to refine now. But yeah, just putting myself in the deep end a little bit. It's pretty funny, like why this industry that we're in, it's so dangerous, right? It's like going into the gladiators and you're trying to fight in the Colosseum, but I'm gonna wear a helmet, I'm gonna wear knee pads to go into the Colosseum. That's how I see risking like 1 to 2% of your account. But whatever works for you, I'm not trying to tell you if that's your strategy that it's bad. If it's working for you, it's working for you. So let's get into it. This is the plan for today. Monday usually moves away from the move of the rest of the week, right? I'm going back to my weekly profiles because that seems to be what's playing out week in, week out. With that in mind, if London's going to make the high or low of the day, London's going to be moving away from that point. The high of the day I'm expecting to be made in London session. We've got our Asian session range, which I'll just mark out now. So I marked out the ASH and the ASL. I'm not going to try the tongue twister of it again. And you've also noticed as well, so I'm going back to having the multi-chart display going. I think I trade better when I'm not just focused. And I don't know why I was so focused and took so many trades in the micro time frames. Trading on like a 30-second chart, 1 minute without doing that top-down analysis. There's nothing wrong with going real micro, but you gotta know where you are in the chart and be really confident in that. A really good entry for me scalpers to move from VWAP and this 15-minute CB and targeting the sell side liquidity that's here. We've made another low here. We haven't taken out this liquidity. I don't think this is the start of a massive push up. More than likely we're still going lower. Just checking the higher time frame to see where potentially we could be going. We've got this large wick here, so we could be going to 50% of this. Just mark this out, which would work because it'd be slightly under all this liquidity and then looking to bounce back. Just realized we do have an hourly BISI right in here as well, which is probably going to be our target for today. Ideally, we'd want to be getting in long around here. Just made the higher time frame charts a little bit smaller as we're not really relying on them as much. It's just for perspective in where we are to help with the overall direction. But yeah, looking from a high time frame perspective, it does look like we're going short. Potentially we could run these lows all the way here too and reach for this gap in here. Based on the price action today, that's more than likely, but we do have the new day opening gap, which I can't show on Top Step. I can see I've got trading view on my monitor to the left here, and we are below the new day opening gap. So we tapped it in Asia, we didn't break above below, but usually what we see, especially like during US AM session, is that price tends to revert back to that new day opening gap, either to retest or potentially to blast through. I'm not going to be staying up for any more AM sessions for the time being. My family and I are going to Vietnam pretty soon. We're going to for a month, and they have a 3-hour delay compared to Aussie time. So 9:30 p.m. would be AM session in New York over there. So that could be really interesting, maybe to test that again. But if it's mucking up the sleep, we're just gonna leave it. So let's get into the actual rules for today. Watching these videos has been super helpful to see the mistakes, and obviously the bloodbath series of just repeated silly decision after silly decision. These hopefully will help mitigate that. I want to implement these for a little bit and see if we need to make any tweaks, and constantly keep tweaking this to adjust with me to the goal of being profitable. I fully believe in my heart that I'm going to be a profitable trader, as I believe all of you will be as well. It starts with having that belief. These are just the set rules so that I can put my brain in a bit more autopilot. I don't have to think about these things. There's already a set process established. So pray, meditate before every session. I'm not going to record the prayer and the meditation for two reasons. One, I don't want to be imposing my beliefs on other people. For some people, religion is a very sensitive topic, and they don't really want that to be a part of trading, which I completely understand and respect. It's a big part of my life, and I'm not shy to admit that. I'm not going to hide away from that. But then also it does say as well in the Bible that if you're praying out in public, your prayers are going to be discounted, just in the sense that you don't really need to be doing these things and wanting people to see you doing it. It's like these people that film videos of giving out money to the homeless, so it looks like they're really cool people. Like, I'm not really about that. So that's something that's personal for me that I'll want to do before every session. I still need to do that before today. And then the trading permitted days only Monday to Thursday. So if you're seeing on my charts, you look at the dates and you go, hey, hold on, that's a Friday, why is he trading? You have every single right to flame me in the comments, dislike all the videos, have some negative consequences for me for doing that. I really want to be sticking to this for at least the first 6 months of the year and just see how this works. Only 2 trades available per session, so I'm going to go into Top Step now and change that to only have 4 trades max per day. So I'm only trading the London Open, which is now from 2 a.m. New York time till about, the sessions I've given myself is from 3 New York, because as we said in the previous videos, 2 just wasn't it. I was spending too much mental capital. From 3 New York time to about 7, so that 4-hour block period I'm going to give myself. And then New York PM session, and for that I'm aiming for the 4 p.m. time, so about 7 a.m. my time till 8 a.m. and that works really well. I can still get my 7 hours sleep, up and refreshed for the morning, still have other things to do around the house. So 2 trades, and I'm giving myself 1 reversal. I was watching a lot of the content and I'm just flipping sides. I'm short and I'm long, just chasing the market really. So by having only 2 trades, I'm going to give myself 1 opportunity, and I've got to be really sure, like limiting the amount of bullets I have, rather than being like a fully auto, gunner. I want to be a sniper with just 2 bullets available. If I'm confident that we're reversing, I get 1 opportunity to reverse and jump in on the move. But if that's wrong, then comes back, maybe it's a chop day, and that's my signal that I'm done for the session. For the time zones, 20% of the account's going to be risked. Open positions must either be closed out if I'm seeing the 7 a.m. reversal characteristics playing out, or if it's way above my entry and I have belief that we could still be running higher, I'm going to move my stops to a logical position, minimum break even. Ideally we want it to be higher in profit somewhere. So price reverses on me, that's fine. 7 New York time is 10 p.m. Australian time. That's the time I really want to be heading to bed. I want to be reading, doing my prayers, spending time with my family, getting everything ready, winding down to get that full 7 hours of sleep before the next day. That's it. And then if a win is achieved in London, I've only got 1 bullet left to trade in the New York PM. Main reason, I just don't want to be giving away my profits. If we've had a win in London, that's great. I don't need to be taking 2 trades and 2 losses potentially in the PM session to be giving that back. So just limiting it to 1, and then that just forces me to really, if I am going to take the trade, really be sure that I've got 1 bullet here. Let's make it count. So let's get into that. Let's put these settings in and see. I'm watching the trading view chart right now. It looks like we might have our short position, but I still got to do my prayer, still got to add in my stuff, and then we can look to trade. So I got my calculator up. We have a balance of 4965.42 minus 48335.12. That leaves us with 1,315 or so. Then we're just going to multiply that by 20%. So our max loss limit is $263.06. I'm going to divide that by 4 for all the bullets that we have available for the day. So max I can risk is $65 per trade. We're definitely only going to be able to be using one micro, but this at least gives me some sort of structure and plan. So what we're going to do is come to the settings, and we're going to leave this account out for the time being. We'll set that as a new challenge if we can survive it. The risk is 65, just a little bit under. The daily profit target is 1,500, the max I can take for the day. And then the risk we said was 263, yeah, about 263. So the maximum trades we can take is 4 per day. I've realized as well, so runners account for, well, adding into your position, pyramiding in, accounts as another trade. This is really good for my pyramiding. Sometimes I do that really early, it ruins my entry, my stops have to be way tighter, I'm stopped out, and then the move continues to run. This just forces me to add in when I need to. We're gonna hit save on this. It's all looking pretty good. We can clearly only take one micro. We're at this position right now where it looks like we're about to get ready. I'm going to do my prayer and meditate real quick. We might miss the entry, but that's fine. I'm sticking to my word, right? All right, we are back. So I'm just waiting here. It's just a little bit shy of VWAP. Looks like we're getting a nice reaction off the 5 here. This is some really good advice that my mentor told me as well, is just don't have the time frames that you seem to be making a lot of mistakes available. Doesn't mean that you can't just click this button and get into them, but it just makes it that little bit harder. It's that path of least resistance that we as humans always want to go for. You'd be surprised if you're trying to give up something, just make it a little bit harder to do that thing that you're trying to stop. And the things inversely that you're trying to do, just make it a little bit easier. You know, if you're trying to get up and run more, just leave your running shoes by the door as you go to sleep. Just make it that tiny bit easier so you don't have to go all the way and grab your stuff to get ready. So I've taken all that off. I've got the lowest time frame, which is my 1, and I'm just going to use that for my exit criteria. So once we're at key levels, like if I'm taking this short up here, expecting it to run down here, I'm going to switch this to a 1 minute, and just to see if we get any reversal profiles. So this would be a reversal profile where we get a long wick and then it's closing in the other direction. As you can see, we haven't come anywhere near this low ever since we had this wick, if these are all 5 minute. It really holds a lot of weight if you can see that reversal pattern. Maybe I'll consider just using the 5 for it. I'm still trying to refine the exit strategy for the time being, but yeah, we'll run with that. We've just got to wait now to see if the opportunity presents. I'll take you guys with me if we do take this short, and we'll go from there. Alright, so this is the plan. We've seen on the 1 minute, we've got some resting equal highs. We've got a Sibi resting just above. It's the last Sibi as well. Some findings, especially on these lower time frames, they will run for the smaller Sibi. More than likely, it's liquidity on the smaller time frames, and then FEGs on the higher time frame. So 15 minutes and above, FEGs are valid to use, but on the lowest time frames, I'm finding that FEGs just get ran through all the time on either side. It's liquidity though, so if you see liquidity taken on a smaller time frame, that's usually an indication for a reversal. The liquidity we have is resting at these highs right here. I've got my stop just above that, and if we look on the hourly, it's actually at this swing high right here. I'll probably move it just a little bit higher. I'm targeting, I just realized that 50% of that 4-hour wick falls really nicely in line with that hourly BISI right here. So this is where I want to be exiting the trade, just watching to see. We still have this 4-hour gap as well, and especially being Monday where we're moving away from where we're going for the week, we could see us actually come and challenge these lows as well. So I'm just going to be cautious, watching if we get to around this level, see how price reacts, and go from there. Okay, we are back. Hopefully with the new battery, this is looking a little bit cleaner. Still here, still waiting, so not much has really happened. It's hit 5 o'clock now, we haven't really done much. We've still just got this limit order sitting here waiting. The good news is we haven't taken any of this liquidity down here. We haven't taken the main sell side that we're looking at, and we're not at this hourly level here. I still think we have room to punch just a little bit higher. I am a little bit worried about this 4-hour though, as we have already tapped into here. We've reacted away. So this potentially could be room for us to come and fill some of this in here. But momentum is to the downside still, and we haven't hit any of these higher time frame levels to indicate that we'd be coming back up. So you have this volume imbalance, which we already tapped on this candle right here. That's the low of the candle, maybe 50% of this wick. On a higher time frame, let me just quickly check a weekly time frame. Okay, so we do have weekly spots in here that we could be running down as well. So definitely still room to keep going to the downside. I just needed that a little bit of reassurance. But again, we're only risking one micro. We've only got $67 to risk. So managing risk appropriately does help, and not be scared or worried if we do have to take an L. So just keep waiting to see what happens. I had set an alert on my phone for if we had come up into this region. No alerts pinged, and now we are just melting. So 7 o'clock as well, so it's 7:20. I'm going to take this trade off. Unfortunately, it was just not meant to be today. Oh, glaring quite heavy as well. Maybe that's better, hopefully. Yeah, unfortunately it wasn't meant to be today. So this is actually the first episode that I'm doing with no trade. I'm actually really happy. I'm glad. Let me try to turn this light off just so it's a bit better. Yeah. I'm glad that I'm not forcing moves. I'm glad to just walk away and go, hey, there was no trade today. And that's fine. I'm okay with that. Maybe there's another opportunity, but we haven't lost anything. I think that's huge. It might not be that big of a deal for you guys watching, but for me as a trader, this is a huge part of my development. I've never had a day where I've just gone, okay, no trades today, and just waited and been patient. So yeah, really happy with that. I think the idea is still playing out, as we can see right here. Now we're starting to melt. It'll be interesting to see what happens at this hourly level, whether we actually bounce back or whether we go for the weekly levels that we were talking about before. We'll come back at 4 New York time, which will be about 7 o'clock here, and see what the market has to offer. Thanks for joining for another episode. Appreciate it. Peace.